What's going on, guys? A little technical analysis on AMD. So currently been in a swing trade since Friday. And one of the reasons why I opened that swing trade on Friday was, if we kind of just look back here to the price action that we had, we were coming into the 100 EMA and stocks, were on 7-8 days worth of green moves. What I did like is, we had an initial push higher and then we kind of grinded up. We put in a big candle, and then we also had 2 days of sideways consolidation, kind of like inside bar days, a little bit of what you would call a rest day in the market, which is completely healthy. Not only did we hold, demand, we held this rising 5-day moving average. And generally, we're talking stocks and we're talking technical analysis on the daily time frame, if a stock is holding its 5 and 10-day moving average, that is kind of telling you who has control going into the next day. Now, does that mean that the next day is going to absolutely be green? Of course not. But what it means is that the bulls are in control normally for the next trading session. Now, the bulls can put in, a good run off the open, and then it can kind of slowly drift and lose that 5-day moving average intraday and then close below. And then that's going to kind of tell you that the sellers have control for the next day. So with that being said, when we kind of came down here and tested this 5-day moving average, 1 day, 2 days, I thought, you know what, this looks very, very good here on Friday. A little bit of a, kind of like a pause candle here. And then we got a little bit of confirmation yesterday, back testing that again, but then we also closed green. And then today we had the gap up with the rest of the triple Qs. And then we pushed into the next area of supply. So I want you to pay attention. I understand my chart has a lot of noise going on. Intraday, I'm not using all of these, moving averages on my chart. It would drive me crazy if I was trying to day trade by watching all of these moving averages at once. I like to do my homework off of this big boy chart, and then I like to set my levels, and then I like to play intraday on a very, very nice clean chart with price action. That's it. Price action in the 20. That's it. But you can see here, it's not rocket science that we came into this level and we stopped right here. Why did we stop right here? This is the 150-day moving average. You can see price action where we kind of stopped here on February the 28th. And then, it's going to act as a level of resistance. If AMD can start to clear out this supply tomorrow, get over this channel of 124.55, it's got a lot of room to go. 130 would be the next price target. Now, I'm not saying that we're going there. We could completely just, kind of overshoot it tomorrow a little bit and then kind of just trickle down and then fill this gap back into the 5-day moving average, which is going to be 119. I'm sure there'll be a lot of day traders trying to, hedge their positions or take puts on this way down. Me, not so much. I'd kind of just, let it come into this rising support, see what we do here. Do we continue to hold and go higher, or do we finally break down? And if we do get a close below that, we've got a lot of support down here. For me, AMD would realistically need to lose like 115, probably even lower than that. 115, probably like 112.54. If we start losing like 112.50s, then I would participate in a short position here below 112.50, and obviously we know what we have down here. But if the market is going to continue to turn around, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little overshoot and then maybe 1 or 2 days worth of sideways action here, something looking like this, and then make that next push up towards 130 and then some more sideways action or something looking like this, possibly even one more back test, and then shoot up again. That's a healthier market. If we just kind of completely keep blowing through this and working higher into the 130 without any actual back test, then expect the pullback to be, a little bit more significant. You don't want to get caught at the top here. Just, protect your capital. Make sure you're always taking profits. I don't care if you're swing trading. I don't care if you're holding something long term. I don't care if you're day trading or scalping. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Take profits, take profits, take profits. You want to continue to hold a trade, that's 100% okay. That's 100% fine. I would 100% recommend you to hold runners and, continue to squeeze out as much water out of that rock as you can. But just, make sure you guys are taking profits along the way. Guys, if you want to trade with me each and every single day live, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys want to learn my strategy, go to evolutiontraders.com and pick it up. Learn the strategy, guys. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure that you guys are giving me a thumbs up. The YouTube algorithm would highly, highly appreciate that, and it would help my videos get out to more and more traders. Guys, I am probably one of the most active, and I can say that with all sincerity and 100% confidence, that I am probably the most active technical analysis YouTuber on YouTube. Now, I'm not talking as far as view count, I'm not talking as far as subscribers, but I have over 800 videos in the past year. You name me another YouTuber who has more than 800 technical analysis videos in the past 365 days. Guys, I challenge that. Until next time, I'll see you guys all on the next video.